Top 10 foods you can eat a lot of without gaining weight. Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something that many of us are interested in: foods that you can eat a lot of without worrying about gaining weight. Yes, you heard that right. So, if you're ready to discover some guilt-free munching options, keep watching. 1. Non-starchy vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are a fantastic option for those looking to fill up without consuming excessive calories. Vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and bell peppers are not only low in calories but also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to keep you feeling full. Additionally, they are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making them an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy diet. 2. Fruits with high water content. Fruits with high water content, like watermelon, strawberries, and oranges, are not only hydrating but also low in calories. Their high water content helps to keep you feeling full, while their natural sweetness satisfies cravings for sugary snacks. Furthermore, they are rich in essential vitamins and antioxidants, providing numerous health benefits. 3. Lean protein. Lean protein sources, such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, and tofu, are essential for muscle repair and growth. They also have a high satiety factor, meaning they help you feel full for longer periods. Incorporating lean protein into your meals can aid in weight management by reducing overall calorie consumption. 4. Popcorn. Air-popped popcorn is a whole grain snack that is high in fiber and low in calories. It provides a satisfying crunch and can be flavored with herbs and spices instead of butter and salt, making it a guilt-free snack option. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics, which promote gut health. Opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to keep the calorie count low and avoid added sugars. 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a superfood packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients. When mixed with liquid, they form a gel-like consistency in the stomach, helping to keep you feeling full and satisfied. 7. Broth-based soups. Broth-based soups, particularly those loaded with vegetables and lean protein, are not only comforting but also low in calories. They can be a great way to start a meal, helping to curb overall calorie intake by promoting a feeling of fullness. 8. Air-fried foods. Using an air fryer to prepare foods like potatoes and chicken wings significantly reduces the amount of added fat, making them a healthier and lower-calorie alternative to traditionally deep-fried options. 9. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are not only low in calories but also packed with antioxidants and fiber, making them an excellent choice for a sweet, guilt-free snack. 10. Herbal tea. Herbal teas, including green tea and chamomile, are calorie-free and can help to satisfy cravings while keeping you hydrated. Green tea, in particular, is known for its potential metabolism-boosting properties. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can enjoy satisfying, delicious meals and snacks without the worry of consuming excessive calories. Remember, moderation and variety are key components of a healthy and balanced diet. And there you have it, folks. These are some of the foods that you can enjoy in abundance without fearing the scale. Remember, portion control is key, and incorporating these foods into a balanced diet and active lifestyle is important. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy eating tips. If you would like an efficient weight loss diet plan, I invite you to check out the link below in the description of this video. Until next time, happy and guilt-free munching.